Be happy and healthy.
Recording is on.
Uh, yes. Uh, Now we will start this pranayam and meditation sessions. Keep straight your spine and neck. Close your half eyes and deeply inhale. Slowly inhale and slowly exhale. And concentrate on your Agya chakra. 3 to 4 times deeply breathing. Fill your lungs, deeply inhale and exhale. Now we chant together Om chanting 3 times. Yes. First of all deep breathe and after chant 3 times Om chanting. Yes. Start. Yes. Repeat again. Deeply breathing. Yes. Yes. Repeat again. Deeply inhale and start. Now 5 times chant Mahamrityunjaya mantra well together. Yes, start. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukme Vandana Mrityokshimamrita Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukmay Vandana Mrityokshimamrita Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukmai Vandana Mrityokshimamrita Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukmai Vandana Mrityokshimamrita Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukmai Vandana Mrityokshimamrita. Now 3 times Gayatri mantra chanting. Yes. Together. We'll start. ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ Now next session overhand to Mr. Raman Yogi.
Dear friends,
Yes.
now so far we have chanted Mrityunjay mantra and Gayatri mantra. Now we are completely in blissful stage. We'll do some pranayam for our inner strength, vital force, for our mental health also. Pranayam means you have to deal with your breathing, with your prana. Just take long, deep breathing. Complete inhale and complete exhale. Your mind should be very in your calm state, very balanced and very cool. Fully concentrate on your breathing. Rhythmic breathing, deep inside, inhale, deep exhale. Fully concentrate on your breathing when your breath comes out, when it comes in your body. And first of all, we'll do first pranayam, that is Kapalbhati pranayam. Put your hands on your knees and we'll do Kapalbhati where you have to expel the breaths only. First of all, you have to take long deep breathing and completely exhale all breath. When your breath is outside, in that moment you have to just throw your breath out and don't try to inhale the breath. We will do 30 rounds. We have to just throw our breath outside.
30 stroke, 4 round.
30 stroke, one
Yeah.
round.
Сигурно ли разбираш 30? Да. Okay.
Да, Kapalabhati.
Да.
रमन अपना थोड़ा कैमरा नीचे कर, दिख नहीं रहा है किसी को पेट. यस. इस प्रकार करो रमन, इस प्रकार. आपका पेट दिखे। यस, या मैं दिखाऊं?
हाँ,
यस, यस, यू विल सी टू मी। या, यस, यस Raman.
continuously breath out. Your stomach should be, when you throw your breath out, stomach inside. It should be very rhythmic, not very fast, not very slow.
Yes,
When 30 rounds, then stop
30
it
stroke per round.
per round. Then take a
Yes.
long deep breath
If any person suffering a heart problem
from heart
and
element,
high
high
blood pressure,
BP.
then
Then
mm,
slowly
do
do it.
slowly, slowly.
Long
Yes,
deep breathing. We'll do another round of 30 stroke. Now we'll start
yes.
again Kapal Bhati
Second round.
Kriya. Second round. Start
Yes,
deep inhale
yes. Start. One,
and completely exhale.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Stop and deeply inhale. 3
Second
to 4
round
times.
complete.
Yes. 3 round complete. Deeply inhale 3 to 4 times. Very effective Kapalbhati Kriyas. We count in Pranayam and Sat Kriya. Cleansing. Yes.
Now
Last
fourth round.
round.
Fourth round.
Prepare for last round.
Deep inhale.
Yes.
Totally
Yes.
exhale. Then start.
Yes. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30. During Kapalbhati, our focus is exhalations, not inhale. Yes. Mr. Raman.
Now we have completed Bhastrika Pranayam. After that, we'll do Kapalbhati, we have done it. Now we'll do Bhastrika Pranayam, where we have to deeply inhale and exhale simultaneously.
Focus,
Put
inhale and exhale.
full full power.
Yeah.
Hold your hand like this. We will
Yes.
do 20 rounds.
20,
Let's
no, 20
start
strokes
20 strokes
per round.
per round. we have
Yes.
to
When you raise your hand, then you inhale.
inhale,
Yes.
and when you
Значи
down, then exhale.
само питаме ръцете,
Yes.
когато ги сваляме и
Breathe
издишваме.
in.
Yes.
Той просто
Да,
Yeah.
не разбираш, извинявай.
When you
не,
raise your
разбрах го,
hand,
разбрах.
Добре.
inhale, exhale. Inhale,
Start it.
exhale. Yes, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Deeply inhale, deeply exhale. Yes, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stop. During Bhastrika Pranayam, deeply inhale and deeply exhale. Deeply inhale and deeply exhale during Bhastrika Pranayam. Yes. Second round.
We will start
After few
again
seconds,
Bhastrika.
we will start.
Deep,
After few seconds.
deep breathing.
Yes. Now. And
Hold
ready?
your hand. Start like
Start.
this.
Yes. Yes, sir. Dr. Poon. Up. 1, 2. Deeply inhale and deeply exhale. Yes. Fast. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Stop. If you suffer any heart problem, high BP problem, please slowly, do slowly Bhastrika Pranayam. It is very effective pranayam for cleansing of your body. Yes. 2 round
Now
is now
it's third time. We'll
ready.
do it.
Yes. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, relax. Close your eyes and concentrate your Agya Chakra. Agya Chakra means forehead. Between your eyebrows. Deep inhale and exhale. Concentrate on your breathing. Slowly inhale and slowly exhale. Deeply inhale and fill your lungs proper.
And feel the consciousness after doing
Spread
Bhastrika
your
Pranaya.
yes. Spread your chest. Yes. And
Now it's Alex who will do.
Now, it's me.
now, yes. Now,
I want
Alex.
to ask because my students, some of them don't know English. Can I guide?
You
Yes,
can
yes.
in your Bulgarian.
Okay.
Anulom Vilom. After you, Mr. Yogi Puran and Brahmari Pranayam. Okay, sir.
Yogi Puran, Brahmari, okay.
I want Dr. Puran take
Okay.
Brahmari Pranayam session. After
Okay.
this, after Brahmari, for 10 minutes, Yog Nidras.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Let's start. Let's
Yes.
start.
Yes. Yes.
What say, Puran?
No.
You have to. You will do
हाँ
Anulom Vilom. You will complete Anulom
हाँ,
Vilom.
Anand,
हाँ सर, योग निद्रा मैं कराऊंगा, आप कराएंगे भ्रामरी के
नहीं,
बाद?
अभी आप भ्रामरी करा रहे हो। योग निद्रा देख लेंगे, रमन कर रहा है, रमन कर लेगा,
ओके
नहीं
ओके,
आपने करनी है, जैसे भी थोड़ा मिल के कर लेंगे।
ठीक।
क्यों? मालिश।
okay.
यस यस।
यस यस यस।
Let's start. Хайде
यस
поставяме палеца на
यस
дясната ръка, на
यस
дясна
यस
нога.
यस यस।
Отваряме очи и вдишваме през лява ноздра. Пушваме лява и издишваме дясна. Пушваме дясна. Пушваме и издишваме лява. Издишваме лява. Пушваме и издишваме дясна. Вдишваме дясна. Пушваме и издишваме лява. И продължаваме така със своят ритъм. Бавно и дълбоко вдишваме през лява, бавно и дълбоко вдишваме през дясна. Наблюдавайте дишането си. Давайте на ума да блуждае, следете единствено влизането и излизането на въздуха.
Alex,
Yeah.
explain to you your stand, you in your language.
In my language, what to explain?
Benefits.
Anulom Vilom. For your student, you explain
Benefits of
They
Anulom
know.
Vilom.
benefit
know.
of
But
benefits
they know.
of
They know she's my college and another is my student. They know everything about it. Yeah,
okay, okay, okay.
that's why. We have one more minute. Силве, още една минута ще дишаме. Не знам кой е там зад камерата.
Окей.
Сане, ти ли си? Още една минута ще дишаме. We will
Dr.
do this
Puran.
pranayama 1 minute more. We have one
Yes,
minute.
Yes.
Here we are 5 teachers now in this meeting.
We are all teachers here, but
Oh, we are
some
teachers.
problem, but some language problems
Yeah.
for your students. They all yes sir. जी सर, इनको थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, ये जानते हैं केवल बुल्गारियन।
यस हाँ, मैं
इसको
अच्छे से डिस्क्राइब कर देता हूँ ना।
मतलब इंग्लिश को ना बिल्कुल आराम से सिंपल वर्ड यूज करने।
Ориентирайте се към приключване на дишането. Make one round more and we will finish the pranayama. And exhale from left nostril for finish. Поемете 2 или 3 пъти бавно и дълбоко въздух. Take a deep breath 2 or 3 times. Exhale and inhale. Exhale and exhale.
Come back. रमन,
Yes.
अपना कैमरा थोड़ा ऊपर करो, आपका फेस नहीं चमक रहा। यस,
Okay.
यस, ओके।
Now, Puran sir.
हाँ जी, यस डॉक्टर पूरन रेडी। डॉक्टर पूरन, perhaps some yes, yes sir, yes.
Yes, one wait. Wait, sir, wait.
हाँ, yes, I will wait to you.
Oh, where is one? Wait, sir.
Okay, sir.
That is okay now.
Yeah.
So thank you so much,
sir. Welcome,
sir, and welcome to all of you, my friends. And thank you so much, sir, for this opportunity. And thank you for Alex
sir,
and Yogi Ramanji. And
no thanks.
Okay, be welcome to all of you, and that is my great opportunity for that to be all together with our Indian ancient therapy and Bulgarian therapy, and all are doing very well, very good. So my humble pranam to all of you, namaste, and that after the finish our Anulom Vilom pranayama, then we will do now Brahmari pranayama. Brahmari for the enhance our mental power and release our all stress and mental problem. So in the Brahmari, both hand thumb put in our ear. After that, both hand fingers on our eyes and take a deep breath, inhale and exhale through the nostrils. With create this sound, humming sound. So we will do 3 times. So sitting the comfortable posture and straight your spine.
From throat.
Сане, нали разбрах какво ще правим?
Брамари.
Брамари 3 пъти.
Да, обаче трябва слушалките. Добре.
Да.
Yes.
3 пъти.
3 times. Yes. Start, sir. Yes.
Yeah.
Deep inhale.
Again. Inhale again and exhale start. Relax. One time more. Slowly come back.
Yes.
Then close your eyes. Rub your palms together. Then gently massage your eyes. And open your eyes, looking your hand. Inhale up. and release.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
हाँ
Thank you so much.
हाँ जी
Now
सर।
carry on. Yes, sir.
डॉक्टर साहब मेरे ख्याल में सिर्फ 10 एक मिनट का कर लें, क्यों? योग
योग निद्रा
निद्रा। हाँ
Yes.
ये
मैक्स।
लेटने की जगह है या मेडिटेशन करें सर? ये भी तो है, लेटने की जगह है।
देखो
मेरे पास
मेरे पास तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं, मैं तो बैठ के कर सकता हूँ, अगर ये स्टूडेंट्स
हाँ
लेट जाए
हाँ,
तो
एक बार
ठीक
एलेक्स
है।
को पूछ लो, एलेक्स को पूछ लो,
एलेक्स,
योग निद्रा या
योर
मेडिटेशन?
योर
Wait,
स्टूडेंट्स,
हाँ जी।
what?
you ask your student, they will lie down on sitting.
Ще легнете или ще седнете?
За медитация ли? Колко време ще е?
5 or 10 minutes will be relaxation.
हाँ, only 10 minute relaxations. Yes.
10 minutes relaxation. 10 минути. Царе,
Аз съм
какво
седнал.
предпочиташ? Да легнеш или да седнеш?
आराम।
Аз съм седнала, така че.
And not drink water
I drink
during
also.
yoga.
I
During
drink
yoga
also.
session.
Казва да не пиеме вода, и аз пия много.
Try to avoid drink.
To not drink during the practice.
Yes.
Why?
Very beneficial.
Why?
Try after tell you why.
Yeah, I must know. Okay, now we will
रमन, रमन
बोलिए,
स्टार्ट
बोलिए।
कराएगा मैं कराऊं?
मैं करा देता हूँ। Then
चल।
if you please lie down in Shavasana.
Той иска в шавасана да легнем.
Добре.
You can do in sitting postures.
If you have a mat, then lie down in a Shavasana. Otherwise,
You can do in sitting postures.
Sukhasana in your comfort zone. In your
Ами той
Sukhasana
казва,
also.
в която поза ти е по-удобно. Можеш да легнеш в шавасана, ама ако искаш и в сухасана, както решиш.
Аз мога и седнала.
She can be in seated position also.
Okay.
На мен ми е
हाँ,
добре
सर।
така, окей.
मेरे ख्याल में बैठ के
हाँ,
करा
सर।
दो,
We
और
will do
बैठ के
that.
करा दो। और एंड
Yes,
निर्मला जी ऑल्सो कमिंग, माई वाइफ, सो humble नमस्कार।
Okay.
योगी
वेलकम मैम। मैम कैसे हो मैम?
नरेश योगी जी, एंड तो बहुत अच्छा लगा। एंड रमन सर,
हाँ।
रमन योगी फ्रॉम चंडीगढ़।
Now we'll do Yoga Nidra
Yes sir.
Yeah.
in a sitting posture.
Keep straight your spine
Spine
and
straight.
neck.
Straight. Close your eyes and
Half close.
half close your eyes and smile on your face,
Yes.
and just surrender yourself and drop your shoulder and totally concentrate on your breathing. Slowly inhale, slowly exhale, and totally calm and composed. Yoga Nidra means it's a kind of meditation where you have surrendered yourself totally to the Almighty, and you are fully conscious about your breathing, about your surrounding, but you are not sleeping, but you are fully conscious, but in a very relaxed mode. It is very helpful for those who are deprived of sleeping disorder, any mental tensions, any stress. Those should be do practice Yoga Nidra.
Yes.
Now
And watch.
check your
Yes.
now
Watch
check-
your.
watch your
Yes.
breaths,
Yes.
your thoughts.
Yes. And
Spine
imaginary.
should be straight.
Yes. With deeply inhale and exhale, watch your breath.
totally present only in this moment. Your
and
mind is wavering here and thoughts are coming, but you are totally present in this moment.
and imaginary observe your body organs.
Observe your body organs. Your heart is healthy, your liver, your internal organs are healthy, and you are totally composed. When your thoughts are wavering, when your mind is go here and there, just concentrate again on your breathing. You are not
Yes.
sleeping, my dear friends. Be aware about your breaths.
और यस रमन, ये ट्रांसलेट करते रहिए। कल्पना करें कि आप के आसपास हरे भरे फूल, हरे भरे रंग बिरंगे फूल।
Now visualize that there is a greenery all around you,
यस, रिम झिम बारिश।
and showering is going on your body,
and भरी वादियाँ,
and total green valley around you. Breath is going on. You are
ऊंची
fully
ऊंची
involved.
पहाड़ियाँ और कल कल करते
Mountains,
हुए वो झरने।
rivers are there. You are totally
शांत
in nature.
वातावरण।
Totally calm atmosphere. Surroundings are very cool and surroundings are very calm. Enjoy
and
in this moment.
चिड़ियों की चहचहाट,
And birds
नेचुरल म्यूजिक।
chirpings on, and music is soothing music is going on. Relax, totally surrender yourself,
टू नेचर।
and put some positive affirmations into your mind that I am very healthy, I am very active, I am physically, mentally, and spiritually very healthy and active.
यस, और अपनी जिंदगी के उन हसीन लम्हों को याद करें। यस रमन,
And remember those moments, those happy moments where you were very
जिसको आप
careful.
आज भी मात्र सोचने से रोमांचित हो जाते हो।
When you dream about those past moments, those are very happy, very exciting. You feel very happy. Dream about them, visualize about them. Fully conscious on your breathing, on your present moment. Yog Nidra is a complete meditation when you are fully aware around your body, about thoughts, about your prana. Always imagine that I am completely healthy, I am very positive, and God's blessings are always on me. Yoga is not an exercise, it's a kind of living. Just live in this moment only, in this moment only. When you inhale, just take full oxygen and positive energy inside you. And when you exhale, throw out all your negative thoughts and energy.
यस, आफ्टर योग निद्रा यू फाउंड ए न्यू एनर्जी इन योर बॉडी।
From toe to bottom, bottom to top, top to bottom, just see your breath and your body from inside.
लंबे
Let
गहरे
shoulders
सांस, डीप.
relax, deep breathing, neck relax. Whole body should be very light, like a balloon in the air. Very light. Imagine your body is feeling very, very light. Fully freshness in your body, full energy, and full smile on your face. Just for 10 minutes, sit in meditation, Yog Nidra. You will gain lot of energy, enthusiasm. Compose mind, calmness on your face. Long breaths are going, inhale, exhalation process is going on. Just totally surrender yourself. I am the instrument of God. I am a pure soul. I am very calm. Yoga has given me lot of blessing, lot of change in my life, my thinking, my attitude.
Yes. Perhaps
I think 10
it
minutes time is
near about complete.
now. Now imagine that now you are a totally changed personality and very fresh in your thoughts. We will do completely consciousness. Now we'll do some Om chanting along with this meditation. Take a deep breath. We'll start Om chanting.
योगी पूर्णचंद जी करवाएं चैंटिंग. यस.
Okay.
Yes.
After the complete relaxation, yoga nidra and meditation, then we will start Om chanting, deep and long Om, Uma, all three words Samanvay. So take a deep breath, inhale and start. Again, inhale. Once time more. Then relax. After that, we will do prayers.
Yes, can.
Okay. After that, Santi Path prayer. ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु
Sarvesham.
सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम तत्सत् हरि ओम तत्सत् हरि ओम तत्सत्. Then rub your palms together gently. After warm up your palm and touching your eyes, then both hands in front of the eyes and looking your hand and raise your hand up and join your both hands. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Uh,
Where is Naresh?
where is Yogi ji?
Where is Naresh?
He's deep meditation.
Okay, okay. So he gone?
No, no, he is there, but I think in meditation state.
Oh, okay, okay. So,
I think session is very much beneficial, and you will
yeah,
give your idea views.
Yes,
first class. That is very good ideas. Yeah.
for
We can
me it
And
was amazing.
you stop
we
the
can.
recording?
No, now we'll stop.
This is